Welcome to eCareers. We know starting a career in accounting isn't easy. You've got the training and certification, but employers often want that elusive experience, right? It's the classic catch-22. No experience without a job, no job without experience. It's a vicious cycle, but we have a revolutionary solution. Introducing our AAT, Accounting with Work Experience Career Academy program. This isn't just training, it's your pathway to real-world experience. You'll get online training to become AAT qualified, guided by the AAT Tutor of the Year 2024. Plus, our career support services will write your CV and optimize your LinkedIn profile. And here's the game changer: guaranteed remote work experience. By the end of the program, you'll have the knowledge, skills, and yes, the experience to stand out to employers. What's more, 1 in 4 of our candidates who complete their remote work experience land a full-time role with the host employer. Ready to start your journey in finance and transform your future? Contact our career consultants today and take the first step towards your dream career in accounting.